Let's cook the spicy Sri Lankan prawn stir fry. If you want the full written recipe with exact quantities, menu ideas, they are on my recipe site islandsmile.org. Moving on to making the spicy prawn stir fry. Clean, drain and place the prawns in a bowl. Season with salt, turmeric powder and lime juice. Mix and set aside for 15 minutes. Place a frying pan over medium heat and pour in a few tablespoons of oil. Add the prawns without the marinade and stir fry just until they turn pink. Immediately transfer to a bowl and set aside. Add more oil to the same frying pan. Add the curry leaves. Stir for a few seconds. And then add the ginger garlic paste, cinnamon, green or red chillies, chopped tomatoes, and cook these ingredients for a few minutes over low-medium heat. Then add the sliced onions. Cook the onions until they turn soft while breaking down the chopped tomatoes. Next, add the black pepper powder, red chili flakes, reduce or increase as per your need. Add the red chili powder. The amount of chili powder and chili flakes can be reduced as per your need. Mix well for a few seconds and then finally add the prawns. Continue to combine well with the tempering ingredients. And then finally season with salt. Taste. You can adjust the seasoning as per your need. And this is your easy Sri Lankan spicy tempered prawn stir fry. For the full recipe, tips and menu ideas, head on to islandsmile.org.